Hello, my name's Harry Williams and I'm a first year apprenticeship for Olsheda. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the facilities as well as speaking to some of the tutors and apprentices about their experiences so far.
I'm William Gregory and I'm on a traineeship with Make UK. I'm very much enjoying it, love doing the practical side of bench fitting and CAD SolidWorks. Yeah, it's been really good, great engineering environment. The facilities are absolutely amazing. You've got everything you could ever want: bench fitting, CNC, robots, welding. There's a plethora of facilities.
I'm Mike Dimmock and I'm the head tutor for business improvement for Make UK. The students today are doing a lean simulated exercise where they're looking to improve changeover times. The apprentices find lean particularly engaging because it's doing rather than being taught just to do things. They engage and they produce their results almost instantaneous with the activities they're completing.
Hi, my name's Rachel Bradley. I'm a first year apprentice at Make UK working for IMR Truflo Marine and I'm doing bench. Really interesting so far. It's teaching us how to use hand skills and work with intolerances, which is a really good skill to have. I came to the open day at Make UK last year and was really impressed with the facilities and the passion that the tutors showed for the apprentices, so I chose Make UK based on those things. Being a female apprentice at Make UK is really good because for me, I want to encourage other women to get into engineering, and the only way to do that is to do it yourself. Advice I'd give to other people thinking of applying for an apprenticeship, I'd say do it. There's endless opportunities in apprenticeships and with on-the-job training, and I think it's an amazing way to learn.
Hi, my name's Mark. I'm a tutor here at Make UK's Aston Hub. I teach many different aspects of engineering, from robotics to bench to milling to turning to CNC. When I started in engineering, a lot of my colleagues and myself, we'd done a course in school called Design Technology. But nowadays most schools don't do this course. So when the students come into the centre, we have to start from the basics, from the filing to measuring, how to use measuring instruments and how to read drawings. So we really start here from the foundations of what engineering is.
I'm Gordon Thompson. I'm the Technology Skills Lead here at Make UK. So in this facility we can offer you just about anything in terms of basic principles that you would need to train your people in industry, whether that's an apprentice or whether it's upskilling your current staff. So we've got a great facility here for electrical training. It covers everything from in industry and in maintenance, from what they call extra low voltage, which is 24 volts, through to what you would encounter domestic, 230 single phase, right through to 400 volt 3 phase, which you would typically find in an industrial setting, the sort of thing that would run your machinery and run your systems. We've got this robot classroom which has got the 3 major types you find in industry: ABB, KUKA and FANUC. So we can do basic robot training on those, and then they can eventually move on to the fully automated big robot cell we've got just outside in the main workshop area. In terms of machining training, we can offer just about anything you would encounter in industry. So we have what I would call standard milling machines and lathes, both of which are out in the tool room area, but we do have dedicated areas elsewhere in the facility for milling and for turning. Once you've got your head round those, we can then take a step up and do CNC, and we've got some fantastic CNC machines, including a big wire rotor which is out in the tool room area. So we still have some additional machining skills that we develop, and that's around surface grinding. We have a surface grinding area out here which has got some what look like simple machines, but they're only smaller versions of the big industrial machines you see in manufacturing. So on top of the automation you can see here in the robot cell, we actually offer PLC training. We base a lot of it around Siemens, but we also cover major other types such as Allen Bradley and Mitsubishi, again, which are typically used in industry. the top end of which, once you've done the PLC training, is we have a separate small automated factory, but these same PLCs are also included in the big robot cell. We can offer you pathways in just about anything you would encounter in an industrial setting, whether that's electrics, automation, drawing, design, robotics, you name it, we've got that facility here.
I'm Mark Jones, I'm the welding tutor here at Make UK TTC. The types of welding we do here are MIG, TIG and ARC, as well as gas cutting and gas welding. Kind of qualifications we offer is we support the apprenticeship programme and give them a 2-week appreciation of MIG welding, and the other additional qualifications are City and Guilds Level 1 in MIG, TIG and ARC, and again competence in gas cutting and gas welding. Anyone finishing one of our courses here would be able to take that competence into the workplace, or possibly work as a welder after it.
Okay, so I'm going to take you on the last part of the tour now and show you some of the classrooms that are doing home learning because of the pandemic. So this is fluid power, and usually we'd have a full class in here, but due to the pandemic, our students are learning from home at the moment. So our tutors are using this facility to teach the students virtually.